high quality, rust-resistant stainless steel grating surface and slicing blade. A 3-cup container fits inside the box grater to catch the grated or sliced food, makes for easy storage. The container has capacity markings of 1/2 cup, 1 cup, 1½ cup, and 2 cup, allowing for precise grating measurements for any recipe. This box grater allows easy, mess-free grating of cheeses, vegetables and more. Non-skid base. The KitchenAid Gourmet Box Grater allows easy, mess-free grating of foods and cheeses. This box grater features a stainless steel top handle for superior comfort and grip, as well as a high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel grating surface and slicing blade. Fitting in the box grater is a 3-cup container to catch the grated or sliced food. The container has capacity markings of 1/2 cup, 1 cup, 1½ cup, and 2 cup, allowing for precise grating measurements for any recipe. Dishwasher safe for easy and quick cleanup. For 1 year from date of purchase under normal use and care, KitchenAid will replace these products free of charge if they are found to be defective in material or workmanship. In addition, from year 2 through the life of the products, any piece found to be defective under conditions of normal use and care will be repaired at no charge or replaced with the same item or an item of equal or better value. Top reviews from the United States. Love this grater. Great addition to any kitchen. I really like the catch box with lid. This one does it all.